Now, Storm Team 27 was live with you every step of the way, both on air and online, as the storms rolled through Trumbull County just after 10 this morning, uprooting trees and causing quite a bit of damage. We have First News Trumbull County reporter Nadine Grimley live right now in Trumbull County, giving us a look at the damage, as well as First News reporter Tim Neptune. Let's go to them live now out in the field. Guys?
Well, Chelsea, we're live here on Everett Hall Road. Joining me is reporter Tim Neptune. We'll get to him in just a minute, but I just want you to take a look behind me. If you can see, crews are getting ready to remove this huge tree that's blocking the road. They're bringing a wood chipper in right now to try to clear the path just to get traffic flowing once again over here. Power is out in this immediate area just because the tree did take out some power lines. We want to show you a picture that a fisherman took while fishing on Mosquito Lake today. This picture from Aaron Chine. You could see a funnel cloud over the lake on Mosquito Lake. They described it as a very eerie scene, something that's totally out of the norm for January, especially for this type of weather that we're seeing here today. But I'm going to toss it on over to First News reporter Tim Neptune, who spoke with neighbors in this area. Tim?
Obviously, it's a big scary thing when a storm rolls through and no one even knew it was coming. So I talked to a neighbor just a couple doors down, and he said he actually walked me through his yard. Multiple trees are uprooted in his yard. One tree hit his power line, knocking power out of his house. And then he walked me through his backyard. Branches are down everywhere, and even his TV satellites knocked out of place. And then he's told me that it looks like his chimney came loose and hit his truck and broke his windshield. So it's, you know, unexpected damages that he may have to cover. And he also was worried about, he told me his granddaughter was actually a couple doors down at a daycare. So it's a big scary thing, and you know, we're monitoring this and going to keep you updated all day, and it's crazy, right?
And we're told that there is widespread damage throughout the Trumbull County area. I've heard reports of damage in Champion, Bezetta, Cortland, and Mecca. We're going to be following up with those damage reports throughout the evening, so be sure to stick with WKBN and WKBN.com for the latest on this storm. But for now, live in Bezetta, Nadine Grimley and Timothy Neptune, WKBN 27 First News at noon.
All right, Nadine, you are exactly right. A viewer actually sent us some photos of what appears to be a funnel cloud over the south end of Mosquito Lake. Check this out here. This is video just into the First newsroom here in the past few minutes. Let me pull up some information here for you because I do have it on hand. This is taken from outside an apartment on Market Street in Cortland, Ohio. You can see what appears to be that funnel cloud circling across the valley. Just crazy images coming in. We've been seeing trees uprooted across the valley. This is video just in, but we do want to show you another picture now. That was brand new video in the Cortland area. Here is what it looked like over Mosquito Lake. Funnel cloud right over there, as Nadine was describing that image to us a little earlier in her live report. This is a look now at that picture she was describing for us. Check out this picture from the Cortland Fire Department. A building appears to be leveled. I'm not sure if this was a shed or an outbuilding, but you can see pretty bad damage after that tornado warning in our area, and also just heavy winds throughout the valley. So we are going to continue monitoring these weather conditions for you here at First News and in Storm Team 27. In the meantime, you can see a web gallery on our website at WKBN.com, where we are going to continue that weather coverage for you. We have it right now up at WKBN.com. More photos, more video, as we are still getting things rolling into the First newsroom here just in the last few minutes.